Yuk.
Okay, my name is Imron. I'm from semester 5. I'm from class D. I will want to explain about the nature of learner language. In the nature of learner language, there is so in here is error and error analysis. Reason for focusing on error is three. The first is to know the causes of learners' error. Second, it's useful for teacher to know what error learners make. The third, making error may help learner to learn. In the steps in analyzing learners' error is four. The first is identifying. Second is describing. The third is explaining, and the fourth is evaluating. Identifying errors. There is no comparison of sentences produced by the learners with the correct sentences in the target image. Second, distinction, error and mistakes. Error reflects gaps in a learner's knowledge. Mistakes reflects occasional lapses in performance. How to distinguish error and mistakes?
The first one
First is checking the consistency of learners' performance. Second, asking learners to try to correct their own different utterances.
Okay.
Number two, describing error. Classification into types, two ways. The first, classifying into grammatical categories. Second, trying to identify general ways in which the learners' utterances differ from target language utterances.
There is omission.
And there is three: omission, misinformation, and misordering. The third, explaining errors, systematic errors, and to learners create rules on their own, different to rules of the target language. Universal errors. Also, learners commit the same grammatical errors. Overgeneralized errors. L2, learners overgeneralize from that they find easy to learn and process. Transfer errors. L2, learners attempt to make use of their L1 knowledge. In errors evaluating, the first is purpose, to help learners to learn and L2. The second, global errors. Global errors violate the overall structure of the sentence. The third, local error, affect only a single constitution in a sentence. Okay. The early stage of L2 acquisition, first silent period, formulaic tones, proportional simplification, query order. In the development pattern, the order of equation, first query order. Collect sample of learner language and identify how accurately each feature is used by different learners. Sequence of acquisition, transitional construction, process of a particular grammatical structure acquisition, steps, cost of development, and restructuring. Some implication in development pattern, the conclusions from the study of learner error. L2 acquisition, systematic and universal.
Okay.
Replacing ways in which internal cognitive mechanism acquisition. Second, irrespective of the personal background of learners. Third, the setting in which they learn. In development pattern, a key question for both SLA and language teaching and whether the orders and sequences of acquisition can be altered to informal instruction. Variability in learner language. The first, language context. And second, situational context. The third, psycholinguistic context. And maybe enough for me. I'm sorry if I have mistakes. I apologize. That's enough. Wallahul muwaffiq ila aqwamit thoriq.